Action.
All right, so guys, we've just been working on the tire machine, and we ran into a problem. All of a sudden, the foot pedal stopped working for the deck. Couldn't spin it either way. We found out what the problem was. It was right here, the old switch. The contact's burnt out. We ended up buying a new switch. We're going to try to install it.
Lucky was working on the tire machine, and he found that this new switch we got isn't quite the right size. So this shaft, it's too big. It needs to be in small end, so that it'll fit into this lever. And then also the bolt pattern for mounting the thing is way off. So we're gonna adjust this bracket, put it in the stretcher, make it fit the new switch. Action.
All right, so here's the motor from the tire machine. I pulled it out. Here's the switch we had fashioned. That's really not that good for when you're doing tires. We got a new one. Got it in the bracket. Marked which way forward is. We're going to wire up all the wires on it. Make sure it works in the right direction. Then we're going to put it in and start changing some tires.
All right, so fortunately, Lucky had taken a few photos of the old switch that was wired up.
Yeah, see the orange wire right there? Yep, so right here.
So we followed the diagram that was on the side of the switch for the 110, 220.
I think that thing says made in Canada, huh?
Maybe.
Let's give it a try. All right, I'm gonna plug it in, going hot. Watch yourself. Okay. So if you're really working the switch, this is forward. Oh, not bad. That's reverse.
Nice.
Done. We're ready to mount some tires. Who's next?
That was Lucky. What's happening now?
I'm putting the motor back in the rim clamp machine. 4 bolts, and we'll bolt in the switch right here. Put the belt on, and we're gonna give this thing a test out. Should be a couple minutes. We'll be doing some tires. Then we're gonna throw the belt on real quick before we adjust it here. Put it up like this. Slide it on the motor. It should just come right up. Okay. All right, so we got it working pretty good. There's forward, there's reverse. If you look in here, you can see on reverse, I had to put a piece of 1/4-inch hardware to make the arm not move as far. But there it is. Perfect. Ready to do some tires there. So check it out.
Nice.
All right.
Thanks, Lucky.
Hey, not a
Cut! Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button or use the share button and send to a friend. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment and tell us what you think. Thanks for watching.